Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the maritime cluster in Jamaica. Basically, the maritime services that are offered in Jamaica. Now we're looking at Jam Dock 1, which is a floating dry dock. This allows ships to be lifted out of the water and repaired or for them to do scheduled maintenance. This is just one of a couple services that you one of a few maritime services that are offered in Jamaica. Now, the government wants to add to the number of services that are offered so that Jamaica will look more attractive for ships, so that the more ships will dock in Jamaica. Another service that they are looking to expand on is bunkering. That is where you fuel the ships. And another service that they're looking to expand on is supplying water and food, etc., to the ships. So the Maritime Institute has a plan. Phase 1 is to focus on those three key areas, and then phase 2 they will focus on other areas. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they plan to do to increase basically the number of ships that call on Jamaican ports. The Maritime Authority of Jamaica is currently building out the island's first maritime cluster. This is in keeping with the entity's mandate to develop the country's maritime industry. The MAJ Director General, Bertrand Smith, explained that the cluster is a network of services that can be provided to ships to make local ports more attractive. It is what we call the shipping hub concept, where we want to expand the cluster of services that can be provided to ships that call at our ports and ships that operate in Jamaican waters. He pointed out. Mr. Smith said these services include dry docking, which facilitates ship maintenance and repair, bunkering, which is the refueling of ships, crewing, which is the provision of a replacement hub for ships, crews, as well as provisioning, which is supplying food and water to seagoing vessels. So there is a whole cluster of services that we can provide to ships to make our port more attractive and to ensure that when ships come to Jamaica, if they need to be repaired, there is a place to be repaired. If they need fuel, they can be bunkered. If they need water or other services, we can provide those services here, the Director General stated. Mr. Smith advised that the MAJ is currently growing the cluster, pointing out that right now we have one floating dry dock, we have about 4 bunker operators. In this ecosystem, the Port Authority of Jamaica, Jamaica Customs Agency, and the Maritime Authority want to grow these services to make our country more attractive and to also generate employment and revenue for Jamaican companies, he added. The Director General said that these services can employ significant numbers of skilled persons, adding that they can generate revenue while they provide a service and make Jamaica an attractive place for ships. So that's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think about these services. I think it's a great idea. We have the Kingston Harbour, which is the 7th largest natural harbour in the world. It's perfect for ships to dock at. So this is a very good initiative by the government to expand the maritime industry for Jamaica. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.